say diet and individuals wince. It's normal to accept that weight loss dependably implies eating less. Be that as it may, possibly it's chance we re-examine how to appropriately shed pounds while concentrating on what we ought to eat. All things considered, on the off chance that we eat the right nourishments, ones that will build fat consuming, we are well on our approach to accomplishing our objectives. In the present video we will put these great sustenances under the magnifying instrument. 1. Coconut oil. Genuine, this oil is rich in fat, however it contains medium-chain unsaturated fats. These aren't put away in a disconnected vault around your midriff. Rather, your body enthusiastically uses these. The outcome? Ketones. Ketones are key fixings in breaking down put-away fat. Truth be told, you can consume an additional 120 calories every day. 2. Potatoes. No. Not French fries from those well-known eatery drive-through chains. We are discussing ones prepared or bubbled. Scientists reason that these kinds of potatoes are the ones that influence us to feel full. Also, when that happens, your hunger is checked. A reward is that potatoes arranged along these lines are magnificent wellsprings of supplements, minerals, and vitamins. 3. Caffeine. Only a solitary measure of caffeine can support a man's digestion. This kick begins thermogenesis, and instantly, fat begins to consume with extreme heat. 4. Apple cider vinegar. At first, you may wince at the prospect of drinking apple juice vinegar. In any case, in an examination led quite a while prior, scientists found that members who devoured as meager as 1-2 tablespoons every day brought down their muscle-to-fat ratio collection. The acidic corrosive takes the bow for this. Likewise, individuals who frequently expend it ordinarily wind up shaving around 250 calories off their plate every day. 5. Hot peppers. Sliding particles of these red-hot red peppers under the magnifying lens, scientists spotted something many refer to as capsaicin. This is the thing that triggers the body's normal fat-consuming procedure. Its mystery is standing out. It manages certain qualities. 6. Tuna. Discuss protein. One measure of fish has an amazing 39 grams of protein. In the event that you are on edge to help your digestion so it consumes an additional 250 calories per day, at that point open a container of fish. Simply think the more fish you devour, the more you could lose. 7. Eggs. Our mornings are normally a routine performed speedier than the speed of light. Who has time for eggs when bagels are instant? Eggs are stacked with protein, which, similar to fish, can tear separated those fat cells. Furthermore, eggs will abandon you feeling full.